Let me show you how we can turn off TalkBack on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So first and foremost, whatever gesture you do normally on this phone, with TalkBack enabled, you need to use two fingers instead. So any swiping, any, I don't know, like scrolling, etc., you have to do this with two fingers, because one finger doesn't work in that case. One finger then is used in order to select something, for example. So we're gonna start from the home screen. If you are in settings or if you have any app open, you can just tap on the home button once and then double tap in order to go to the home screen. And if you have gestures for navigation, you need to use two fingers in order to swipe to the home screen. So let's go to the settings. First, I'm gonna swipe with two fingers up in order to go to the app drawer. And then over here, we need to tap on settings once and then double tap. This is how we can select something on the screen. So now we're gonna scroll once again with two fingers, like I mentioned, in order to find accessibility. Tap once and then double tap. Now let's tap on TalkBack and then double tap. Tap on the TalkBack switcher and then double tap, and confirm by pressing turn off and then double tap. And there we go, TalkBack is now disabled. You can once again use just one finger for gestures. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!